Hello, YouTubers. Thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope you like my videos. So please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any. Thanks a lot.
Let's go.
Cars in the parking lot, but I don't know if their dining room's open. I went to Jack in the Box yesterday because I was sure their dining room was open, and it wasn't. It wasn't open. Let's see if I can see here. Please do not, I guess they don't have their dining room open yet either. I don't know why these fast food places aren't opening up their dining rooms. Governor said it would open up the dining rooms. And I don't like to eat outside. I did that a couple of times, but sitting on my bike out in the sun is no fun for me. Plus, the wind blows your napkins away, and there's bugs and dust. Yeah, we went to Jack in the Box yesterday, and you know, a couple weeks ago, I finally got one of these smartphones, and so I had put the Jack in the Box app on there. And they had some nice specials on there. $2 onion rings, 2 tacos for $1, $6 for a spicy chicken sandwich combo. So, you know, we went there and then we pulled in the parking lot. I didn't even think to get out and look inside first. I opened up the app and ordered and paid for it. Went in, you couldn't eat in there. We did eat out on their patio though. They let us do that, and then they let us bring our cups in, and they'd refill them for us. But just about all the regular restaurants' dining rooms are open now. But I know a lot of the fast food ones are being. I hope they don't decide to go all just takeout, like so many of the pizza places have. Hotter out here. Man, it's about 98 out here. Quarter after 12. Maybe I've been gone 45 minutes, maybe. Something to drink and try to find a cool spot to sit down and drink it in. Get around this truck, let you hear my exhaust. did that no GoPro, no problem dog collar challenge to moto vlog with my phone the other day. I had that helmet on. Whew. I got to take that liner out and wash it. It was soaking wet when I got back home, and I was only out an hour and a half. Like a hawk on the wing up there, maybe a buzzard. No, it's a hawk. I'll go see if McDonald's app on my phone and see if they got a drink for $1 or less, and I'll go see if the McDonald's is got their dining room open. It's the air conditioned in there. For a long time they had their small drinks for $1 and you could just keep refilling them. Carl's Jr. did it for 2 or 3 years, but the last 2 years they haven't had them for $1. They put some nice smooth pavement down on this lane. A few years back they had repaved this whole area and this was nice and smooth, and then they come and like cut it up with like they were going to repave it again, but they just left it. It's been all gouged up, kind of like the roads in the mountain passes in Washington. They're all cut up, I guess, to try and help you with traction, but man, they're a pain in the neck on the motorcycle. Of course, they're not as bad with this wider front tire, but with those narrow tires, like all my Dynas had, and my FX Super Glide, my FXR, 19-inch wheels with tires only about that wide. And I had a chopper that had a 21-inch wheel with a tire only that wide. And that was when California used to cut these grooves in the freeways. Oh man. And the tires that they put on the front back then, they just kind of went around. I mean, they were cut into little pieces that long and about that wide, and they were offset across there, but they just went around. They didn't go across. They went around long ways. And my Honda, my Yamaha, and the tire I had on that chopper when I bought it were all that way, and they would catch in those grooves and pull you like this, but you just had to kind of relax and let it go. If you fought it, it would just wear you out. But it was really disconcerting the way it felt. And there's Stump Butte up there. Up here through Frontier Village, make sure that Peter Piper Pizza is open. I called them this morning and they said they were, but I'm just going to go by and make sure. So if they are, my wife and I are going to go there tomorrow, and I get my free buffet. I guess I am going to have to stop. And I don't think I wanted to try to make it through that small break. Yeah, this left turn lane here is known for rear enders, so I got to keep an eye in my mirrors and leave myself room to go straight down through that indicated island if I need to. Yeah, I'm not going to get to go until they're all stopped at that other light down there. Hopefully the ones making right turns will take a while to get here. Oh yeah, I can make it. Temperatures will be taken and guests with fever 100 or higher will not be permitted to enter. Face coverings are strongly encouraged. Well, you can't eat with a face. Certain games, special distancing and hi, excuse me, is your buffet open? Thank you. Hands will be sanitized on entry, and we encourage you to use hand sanitizing stations often. All right. Okay, well, it's buffet time tomorrow. Go over here to McDonald's. It's way over here at the other end. Gotta go up and around and over the river and through the woods. That used to be a Wendy's. I liked it better when it was Wendy's. I drink coffee when it's hot, but I won't pay those Starbucks prices. I get my coffee from the gas stations that have coffee. gear before I got the clutch in. Was not paying proper attention. Tell me, what does it mean? At McDonald's, it's clean. Well, here we are. Well, I'm going to shut this down for now. Thanks for tuning in.